This week at the Royal Drafthouse Films presents Abel Ferrara's grim and sort of perversely enjoyable Miss 45, a revenge thriller from 1981 that wasn't so well received at the time, but that has since become a kind of cult classic, especially among the so-called vulgar auteurist school of film criticism. The film stars musician, model, actress, and one-time screenwriter Zoe Lund as the suspiciously named Thana, which might remind you of Thanatos, the death drive if you happen to be a Greek scholar, a mute seamstress who's working in New York's garment district. The plot is set in motion by a couple of grotesque turns of events as Thana returns home and is actually raped twice on her way back, which turns her into a kind of avenging angel, a 45 caliber serial killer who only targets men, most of whom seem to deserve her punishment, but some of whom are just basically along for the ride. This is an unabashedly trashy and truly unsubtle, sledgehammer subtle, you could say, film, which occasionally takes on the air of a sort of proto-feminist critique of misogyny in the big city. Really, though, it's a sleazy exploitation thriller about the kicks of seeing, a model of innocence like Thana turned into a murderous divine agent, at one point dressing up as a nun and crashing a Halloween party. There's a lot of Roman Polanski here to the off-kilter editing and the shots of poor, doe-eyed Thana wandering around the city and particularly dealing with her nosy neighbors. But the depiction of New York, which is shot on location as being a kind of garbage-infested land of refuse, is pure Ferrara. This is a weird nightmare and very much one worth experiencing. This is Angelo Moretta for RealTomErnst.com.